What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital, good morning, and welcome back to, as you saw in the title, an update on the UFO token, or the UFO gaming token. And it used to be called, I think. They did do some changes to the branding. The logo in the thumbnail is actually the old logo, but I don't have this one yet. But yeah, so welcome back. I know a lot of you of my community and my subscribers have bought or hold the UFO token. Apart from that, I covered it quite a bit as well. I think it's an interesting project. I do think they have a lot of development to be done. Obviously, I mean, it has fallen a lot over the last 3 months and over the last year. Because UFO gaming, I mean, let's be honest, it's a very hyped up project, right? And in a bear market, hyped up projects tend to lose value. And I do think they have some great things, such as 100% of the circulating supply being, or of the max supply being in circulation. But I mean, there's not even a staking decentralized app yet. There's no metaverse yet. They are working on it, and I'm not saying it's a scam, but they still have development to be done. They're at this point of time, there's no intrinsic value at UFO gaming. So buying UFO, you're basically betting on that UFO gaming will produce a game and that it will be better. But I mean, technically you should, because if they already have that game, the price will probably shoot up, and then it's too late. So if you trust them, you would invest right now. Although in this bear market, maybe I would wait a little bit longer just to see how low it can dip before buying in. But for now, let's actually take a look at the price. Apart from that, the volume is looking good. It's not great at, I mean, it's not great at only 17% of the market cap with only a 50 million market cap. But if you compare it with the last week, I mean, the last week it was, it even dipped down under 1 million. So that's a great thing to see. So for now, what we did with UFO gaming is we hit this major resistance level at around 2,500. That's what I'm naming the prices as with these low prices. This is 2,500. All right, so just so you understand. On coin market cap, that would be 2,500 too. So we hit that as a resistance level. First of all, that's a psychological resistance level. Second of all, it's just also a normal key level. And that's the main level we need to break. If we can break that, if we can close above 2,500 with the candle on the, I think the 1 hour time frame is enough already. If we can do that, I think we can reach our price target, which is between 3,000 and 3,200. Where I think 3,200 has a little bit of a higher probability. As you can see, that's the most respected one, that whole area. So that's essentially what we're looking for with UFO gaming and the UFO token. Now, how realistic is this? Well, that's hard to say. First of all, it depends on the market circumstances. As long as Bitcoin and Ethereum remain relatively bullish, I think the chances of this actually keep increasing the longer they remain bullish. But apart from that, I mean, UFO gaming still has to do some things too. So the first one being is that we've broken above this major support level around 1800. So I could visualize that a little bit better for you. We've broken above this level, which also has that 618 VIP. What UFO gaming needs to do for now is to just stay above that level. Now, obviously, there's also some support right here at around 2000, so we do have some sort of a buffer. But for the upcoming couple of hours and for the upcoming 2 days or something, I expect us to consolidate on top of that level. And we need to stay above 1700. As long as we stay above 1700, I think we got that chance of breaking above 2500 and getting up to 3200 and 3000. But if that level breaks, and I'm going to be honest with you, if that level breaks, so that either happens because UFO gaming is not strong enough or the market becomes bearish again. If that level breaks, we'll probably drop down to 1500 and 1400 at first, only to take a break retest to drop down lower towards that 1100 level down here. So yeah, that's me being brutally honest. At this point of time, I don't have a clear bias on UFO gaming, just because if you know its history, it's proven to be a very volatile token, and it can move up very rapidly. Something like this could happen within the next hours as well, by just breaking above 2500. But it just depends on the levels. First of all, can we hold 1700? And then second of all, if we can hold 1700, we should break above 2500 within the next 4 days. If we don't, we're just going to break through 1700. So yeah, a little bit of a longer video, but that was my full analysis on UFO gaming. So if you do have any questions about the analysis, please let me know down in the comments. And for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Have a great day. Bye.